Manually designing slides without any layout or visual support can make your workflow in PowerPoint frustrating and inefficient. It often results in unstructured content and inconsistent visuals that lack the professional look expected from a polished presentation. In this video, we'll explore a built-in feature in PowerPoint 365 called Slide Designer, also known as Design Ideas. This tool helps users create visually attractive slides with just one click, automating the slide formatting process. To start using Slide Designer, select the slide you want to improve, then go to the Design tab in the toolbar. Within this tab, you'll find various formatting suggestions and design layouts automatically provided by PowerPoint. Once you select the slide and open the Design tab, PowerPoint will instantly show a selection of ready-made design ideas on the right-hand side. These layouts adapt to the content of your slide, offering you an enhanced visual structure. You can review these suggestions and click on the one that fits your needs best. Slide Designer will immediately apply that layout to your slide. You can still make manual adjustments to any of the elements, including repositioning, resizing, or changing content as needed. Furthermore, you can easily modify the color scheme or choose a different layout style to better suit the topic and tone of your presentation. There are multiple options to pick from, allowing for quick experimentation until the desired look is achieved. By using Slide Designer, your slide becomes visually appealing in just seconds. You can select the suggestion that looks best and ensure a consistent, well-organized appearance across all your presentation slides. Slide Designer not only saves time, but also helps maintain professional standards throughout your document. This makes it a valuable feature for anyone working with PowerPoint regularly.